where's number 2 at? No, that's 5. That's 3.
Is it 2?
Oh, you did find it. Good job, dude. Find the number 3. Good job. So we got 1, now we got 2. Now we gotta find number 3.
Is it 3?
Here. No, that's 8.
It's 8.
Alright.
Yeah.
What's next?
4.
Yeah. Hey, go.
Oh no!
Did you get this stuff? Oh. I'll fix it. Oh no.
Oh no.
There's 4. Where's no yellow 5?
Yellow.
Where's the 5?
Yeah, yellow. It's 5.
Thanks.
Daddy, 1. Daddy.
Yeah, buddy.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We need 6. Do you see 6?
Is it 6?
Oh, that's 9. What's that?
It says 6.
Oh, there it is. Thanks, dude.
Daddy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.